In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion habit tracker using buttons. This is an excellent way to keep track of your daily habits, and with Notion's powerful customizable features, it's easier than ever. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Notion. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do that first. At the top right of the Notion homepage, click on the Login button. If you're using Google to log in, click on Google and select your account from the list. Once you're logged in, we can start building our tracker. Next, navigate to Notion AI. This part of Notion will help us develop our habit tracker, especially if you're a beginner. You'll see a prompt where you can type in keywords or ideas that you want the AI to create for you. For this example, we'll incorporate buttons into our tracker, so make sure to include that in your input. After entering your keywords, give it a moment to load. Once your tracker has been generated, you'll want to click on the newly created tracker. This will bring up a few different views, including the By Habit view. In this view, you'll notice various tabs available such as Calendar View, By Habit View, and more. These options are customizable depending on your routine or preferences, so feel free to explore each one and adjust according to your own habits. To add a new habit to your tracker, look for the New Page button. Click on it, and you can type in your desired habit in the field provided. For instance, if you want to track running, simply type running. You can repeat this process to add more habits, be it reading, meditation, or anything else you want to improve on. One of the cool features of Notion is the ability to associate buttons with your habits. For example, you can add a checkbox button to indicate a completed task. This adds a bit more interaction to your tracker, making it easier to visually assess your progress each day. You can also click on the All tab at the top to get a comprehensive view of all your habits. Additionally, take the time to edit the properties of your tracker. Here you can add options or drop-down selections to further tailor the tracker to your liking. This way, it becomes precisely what you need for keeping your habits in check. That's it, you've just created a Notion habit tracker using buttons. By utilizing these techniques, you can effectively monitor and motivate yourself to maintain your daily habits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Notion tutorials. Happy tracking!